Hello everyone, we will learn the cognition of the lifeboat equipment. In accordance with the requirements of SOLAS Convention and the Code for Marine Equipment, the ship must be equipped with suitable lifeboats. When the ship is in distress, it can help the crew and passengers to evacuate the difficult ship quickly to protect the life safety of the crew and passengers. In addition, lifeboats can also be used to rescue other people in distress or fall into the water or as contact vehicles. Learning target. 1. Remember the classification, storage, ownership, and discharging equipment. 2. Master the lifeboat test point in the personal survival test. Content. 1. Classification of lifeboats. 2. Storage of lifeboats. 3. The lifeboat is equipped with the products. 4. The landing device of the lifeboat. 5. Test. Part 1. Classification of lifeboats. 1. Classification by structural form. 1. Open lifeboat. Advantages: relatively wide personnel boarding barrier-free. Convenient activities in the boat, easy to operate. Shortcoming: people are prone to heat stroke by exposure. Water enters in the rough boat. To partially enclose lifeboats, 1. In the bow and stern of the boat, there is a fixed rigid roof of no less than 20% of the length of the boat, and other parts have a removable roof supported by 1 to 2 people. 2. Features: keep the advantages of the open type and avoid its disadvantages. 3. Fully enclosed lifeboat. Advantage: with good thermal insulation and water tightness. The roof cover is equipped with roof windows to ensure the adequate light in the boat. It has the function of self-righting. Disadvantages: small entrance and exit, small lookout mouth. 2. Classification by build material. 1. Aluminum alloy lifeboat mixing rescue boat. The hull is made of aluminum alloy, with high strength and water tightness. Using a small power can be obtained at a higher speed. Because of its strong and durable, maintenance is relatively easy, but also has the corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance characteristics. 2. Glass reinforced plastic lifeboat. It is a composite material with glass fiber and its products glass cloth, belt, felt, yarn, etc. as reinforcing material and synthetic resin as matrix material. Its weight is lighter than aluminum alloy. Corrosion resistance, easy maintenance, and other advantages. Has been widely used by ships. 3. Classification by function with 1. Self-righting. When all the entrances and exits are closed and watertight, and all the occupants are fixed to their seats with seat belts, the boat is able to turn the boat over in the forward position. 2. Self-supply gas. To provide air that is safe and suitable to breathe, with the engine running normally for not less than 10 minutes, for chemical liquid cargo ships and gas carriers. 3. Fire resistance and high temperature resistance function. The fire-resistant and high-temperature lifeboat should first meet the requirements of the lifeboat of the air maintenance system, which can ensure that the high-temperature sea of 1000 to 1200 degrees in a short time, and the personnel in the boat will not be injured. Part 2. Storage of lifeboats. 1. As close to the living premises and service locations as possible. 2. Crew members shall complete the preparation work for boarding and landing within 5 min. 3. When full load to 10 and 20 to any board, the lifeboat shall be not less than 2 meters from the waterline. Part 3. The lifeboat is equipped with the products. 1. Can float the paddles sufficient number to pit with the hookboat to branches. 3. Can float water gore ladle bucket 12. For survival book 1. 5. Steering compass E. 6. Sea anchor E. 7. Head cable 2 pieces, 8 piece X 2 pieces. 9. Fresh water 3 L per occupant. 10. Rates not less than 10,000 kg per passenger. 11. Rocket parachute flare for pieces. 12. Piece X 2 pieces. 13. Smoke signal 2 pieces. 14. Waterproof flashlight with Morse code 1. 15. Anti-sickness and cleaning bag 1 per person. -1. A floating life-saving ring with a length of no less than 30 meters floating cable 2. 17. First aid medicine kit 1 set. 18. Handheld fire extinguisher 1 unit. Part 4. the landing device of the lifeboat. 1. Gravity lifeboat down and release device. 1. The gravity frame is installed on the two sides of the ship, which consists of two parts. One is the frame, and the other part is the base of the frame. To boat hangars, it is the power equipment of the lowering and discharging device, whose main function is to provide the power to recover the lifeboat. 3. Remote stability cable, rigging that can prevent the rocking of the ship when the lifeboat is in storage. 4. Stop swing cable positioning cable, a device used to prevent collision with the side and the side of the lifeboat. 5. Block, change the force direction of the sling and save the force of the sling. 6. Boat rope, non-rotating, soft, and with enough toughness to prevent corrosion. Change the force direction of the sling and save the force of the sling. To dot the landing and discharging device of the free landing lifeboat. 1. Release hook fixture, mounted on the assembly deck of the crew boarding, connected to the release hook at the tail of the free landing lifeboat. 2. Installation on the platform of the crew assembly, the I-plate of the tail of the boat, connected by a wire rope or special rope. The function is to perform the release operation of decoupling during the drill and training. 3. Pressure boat device. It is set onto slides of the crane frame, which is composed of the plate frame and auxiliary components. The plate is installed on the present frame, equipped with a reset spring, and one end of the plate is connected by a thin steel cable, steering pulley, pull ring, or with the hydrostatic pressure release device. For heavy hammer barb type, a heavy hammer barb is set on the lower beam of the carriage slide, connected by thin wire, steering pulley, elastic screw buckle, pull ring, or connected with hydrostatic pressure release device. Part 5. Test. 1. There are two main types of lifeboats and cranes on sea boats. One is the gravity lift frame, and the other is the landing device of a free landing boat. B. One kind is the lowering device of the free landing boat, and the other kind is the straight rod crane frame. C. One is a type of support frame, the other is a straight rod frame. To dot normal provisions for each lifeboat shall include several watertight containers. The total amount of the lifeboat rating creech _ fresh water at 2L, B3L, C5L. 3. The lifeboat shall be kept in good technical condition, always ready for use, by 2 crew members were able to complete the boarding and landing preparations in the 1 main, B2 main, C5 main. 4. Is shown in the right panel. Open lifeboat, B. A partially enclosed lifeboat, fully enclosed lifeboat. The above content is that we learn about cognition of the lifeboat equipment. That's all for this class. Thank you.